Howdy folks, welcome back to my channel. Satish here from Dallas, Texas. Today, we'll be talking about the best affiliate networks that's out there. I'm going to show you all of them, the best ones that's out there, and how to join them and pros and cons of all of those. Let's get on my computer and do it right now. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but give me about 30 seconds. I'll let you on your way. So here's the thing, okay? I create these amazing videos just for you. Take a look at this, okay? I do all of this in my office here just for you. That's all I do. I create videos for you. But a lot of you guys have not subscribed yet. So if you're loving this content so far, do me a favor. Hit that red subscribe button. And guess what? It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but to me, it means a lot. Let's go. Let's back to the content. Let's go ahead and talk about these affiliate programs that I have in front of me. So I have Share a Sale, I have JVZoo, and I have Clickbank, and I have MaxBounty. Now, Clickbank and JVZoo, I've been a vendor as well, of course, affiliate as well. Share a Sale, I promoted some products here as well. MaxBounty, I'm an active affiliate on MaxBounty as well. So let's go ahead and talk about all of these four ones, and I'm going to show you the pros and cons of each one of them. Now, are there other places where you can find products? Yes, you can, but these are super reputable, and they have their own pros and cons, and that's why I want to share those with you guys today in this video. So let's go and start off by talking about Share a Sale right here. So this one, okay, Share a Sale, I've been affiliate here. I promoted products here. So I promoted, Gusto. I promoted some, software affiliates. I promoted some CPA offers as well. This one is pretty good. I mean, it's super easy to get into. So this is a beginner-friendly affiliate network. So if you don't have a lot of experience and if you don't have a lot of followings, then, this is a good place to start. For example, let's say you're brand new into affiliate marketing, right? And then, if you want to be, if you want to get that trust, and if you don't have that yet, then what you can do is start off at Share a Sale, and you'll get approved, right? You'll be fine. They might put you on delay, but that's fine. But getting approved on Share a Sale is super easy, and you should not have any problems with that. So Share a Sale, it's definitely a beginner-friendly place to promote products. Now, content-wise, make sure that you need to usually Share a Sale. It's good for bloggers writing articles about, let's say, productivity, business, and things like that. I have not, I've not tried, promoting products through email marketing on Share a Sale. I have put their affiliate links on some of my blogs, and they have turned out, they have converted really well. So no problem there. But I just don't see me promoting Share a Sale products through, they have like betting products. They have like, safe. It's pretty normal products, right? For example, if we get on Clickbank, you're going to see like, crazy products like, ED pills and things like that. On here, it's pretty safe. Like I said, softwares, betting, hair products, and things like that. So it's super nice. And I've also seen shampoo and things like that. So if you are like influencer or things like that, Share a Sale is going to be your good bet to start off at. So this is my first one right here. The second one I have is JVZoo. I've been a vendor here for a long time. I've had many like good launches on this platform. So nothing bad to say, but I'll talk about the affiliate side as well. Now, number one, okay, JVZoo. If you're looking to promote like anything other than software, this is not a place for you. Being honest, okay? Honestly, I mean, they tout themselves as like, affiliate marketing of everything. Not really, okay? So, JVZoo is good for you if you have a list of marketers or marketing, or if you have a blog in marketing, affiliate marketing, things like that. It's going to work out really well for you. Now, JVZoo does not it doesn't usually have physical product affiliates either. It does. Of course, it has courses, and most of it is going to be like marketing gimmick courses. Okay, so when I say gimmick, they're not all gimmick, but most are. But most of the products launched here are going to be your marketing SaaS products for like lifetime deal product where you can make really good money. But what I'm saying is that if you're brand new into affiliate marketing, this might not be a place for you unless you already have that audience of like, software marketing and things like that. Then this is going to be really well for you. Now, if you do promote your, products from JVZoo on your list, get ready to, get your list, email list, diluted super fast. Because they share lists, a lot of things do happen, so that's normal, right? That's the only con about it. Everything else is a pro. So this is not a beginner friendly, but if you already have that email list or content in marketing, this is one of the best places to find good software and marketing products. So for marketing and software, yeah, lifetime deal products, JVZoo is going to be your best bet. Okay. And we have Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank, we have all heard of it, right? Clickbank. Okay, let's go back to JVZoo. On JVZoo, when you do apply for affiliate, you have to apply based on strictly, for example, with a vendor. So let's say I'm promoting a product XYZ. You have to reach out to me. Okay, you have to reach out to me, and then you can promote it. Promote those products, which is normal, right? So you have that option as well. But as a vendor here, I have to allow instant payouts for you to get instant payment, which I won't do if you're brand new, right? If you're brand new, I won't do that. Most vendors won't do that unless you build that reputation with them. And how do you build that reputation? You build that reputation by getting in touch, getting them some sales, and reaching out to them, adding them on Facebook, reaching out to them on Skype, showing them, hey, you are a legit person, right? And if you're from like India or like, the other part of the world, then you're going to have a hard time, because here's the thing, right? So with all of these products, all of these networks, right? Any other network, right? So the problem is that, if I'm a vendor, if I'm an affiliate network, if I'm paying out to somebody here in the US, if they can't run away, like I can't run away. But if you're in like in a different country, like, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and those countries, like I'm not saying those countries are bad or things like that, right? I'm just saying that, those third world countries, it's hard for a vendor to, get to you if you do something stupid, right? And they do have that reputation. So that's why vendors are so careful about letting, doing that instant payout. They'll pay you, right? You won't have any problems with payment, but the problem what you might get into with Clickbank and JVZoo and these two companies with the vendors is the fact that they might not allow instant pay. Instant pay is, let's say, you make a sale, you get paid, okay? Your 50%, whatever, on your PayPal, whatever. They usually are going to put a delay. Delay meaning they're going to put a 90-day delay, meaning you only get paid after 90 days of that sale. So, they are secure because that's past the money back guarantee and that's past the chargeback time frame as well. So that's what they're doing. So don't think that, hey, they don't like people from India or things like that. It's just that, cost effective wise, and then if it doesn't make sense to allow instant pay unless you know those people. So reach out to them on both on Clickbank and JVZoo. Reach out to the vendor on Facebook. And if you have a lot of like mutual friends and mutual, through them, then you might get that instant pay, but you have to reach out to them, talk to them. Hey, show them you're a real person. You're not going to run away. And then you should be good. So JVZoo, like I said, on share sale, you'll have to, you'll get access and you can choose a product to promote, but you won't have any issues like, getting approved, right? They'll give you a tier of approval and you should be fine. JVZoo, you'll have to, apply based on a vendor, and they also have a list of products that's out there, but you'll have to find them. You can find them here. You can also find them at a site called munchai.com. It has all the upcoming launches as well, and you can find them. You can find the JV page, and then you can apply for it, and you should be good to go. Okay, so JVZoo, so share sale, anybody, beginner friendly. JVZoo, not so beginner friendly unless you have a list of software or marketing, that kind of products. Then you should be good. You should be really, really good for software, lifetime deal softwares. This is the best place to find programs. Okay. Next up, I have Clickbank. Okay, the infamous Clickbank. Okay, on Clickbank, on JVZoo, it's just digital product. On Clickbank, they have physical products, books, courses, softwares. They pretty much have everything for every single industry. For example, if you're into adult industry, if you want to sell a course on how to make your something bigger, things like that, it's here on Clickbank. Okay, you're not gonna find that on JVZoo or Share a Sale or even MaxBounty. So Clickbank it is. So Clickbank here, what I like about Clickbank is that there is a product for everybody. Okay, there's a product for everybody, and same thing here as well. You know, getting that instant pay might be difficult for you if you're just starting out, but don't worry. Reach out to the vendors, say who you are, show them, hey, this is my LinkedIn, this is my Facebook. I've been around for such a long time. Hey, is that okay if you do, instant pay? Or like instead of 90 days, hey, let's do like 30 days if that's possible. So you just have to build that trust. Clickbank, amazing product. You're going to find product, from really, really good products. Okay, that's the beauty of Clickbank. You're gonna love it. Approval rate, it's instant, and then once you go and submit to promote, they're gonna approve you, right? It's just that it's instant pay or not. Product selection wise, Clickbank is one of the best place, and this is like the OG of affiliate marketing, because when I was starting up affiliate marketing back in the day, Clickbank was it. Okay. And that's where you went in, you found the gravity, you looked at the product and you looked at the gravity, like, how good is the product converting and things like that. Make sure to take a look at that as well. Then, you would find a product that fits and then you'd promote it. So Clickbank, definitely one of the top ones. I think if I had to choose the best one, that anybody can get into, it's going to be Clickbank, okay? It's going to be Clickbank. Now, next up, I have MaxBounty, okay? Now, MaxBounty, like I said, okay, let me go back. So I said if normal people just naturally getting in, Clickbank is going to be your best bet. Now, MaxBounty is another game. This is a monster. They are amazing. They're amazing. The only bad part, well, not really bad, right, is the fact that, you can't get in so easily. You'll have to apply for it. You have to do a phone interview sometime, on Skype as well. They're going to verify a few things. They're going to check you out, and then they will go and approve it. They're not going to approve random people, okay? They want to make sure that you have experience, because these people, they have amazing products, CPA offers, every amazing stuff. Okay, now Clickbank has CPA offers, JVZoo doesn't, ShareSale does as well. So MaxBounty, this is the premium. This is the, if I want to say premium, like, luxury brand of affiliate network, this is going to be it. They pay amazingly on time. Everything is amazing, great products. Again, no, they don't have any crazy products like, those crazy products, what I'm talking about, like adult products, but they have all other products on there as well. So they should be good to go. And, they should be good to go. And you're going to like it. You're going to like what they have. MaxBounty, like I said, once you apply for it, you can't just get in right away. Once you apply, they're going to put you in on an interview, and then you should be, they're going to go ahead and get on a call with you, and then they will approve you, okay? And once you do get approved, of course, you have some tiers as well, but the products are amazing. They convert super well. I think, like I said, MaxBounty is, again, one of the top ones up there as well. Let's go ahead and, and that's pretty much it. Those were the top ones that I went ahead and, compiled for you guys. Take a look at it, and I think you guys will enjoy. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe. I have more content just like this on my channel as well. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to me so I can bring more videos just like this to you on your YouTube feed. Now, if you go to my channel, there are more videos just like this that's going to help you become a better salesperson, help you make more money, and get better at marketing. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.